Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Motherwood here. Just a bit of a vlog update to address any issues that might be with no videos coming out lately or any activity. Pretty much it's what you see in front of you. It's the messy desk. I sit down at this and just can't be bothered kind of gearing around stuff, toy cars, plastic bags, bills and stuff like that. So yeah, I was just gonna put a microphone on my headphones, and I went, I'm not doing this until my desk is clean. So that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, on my desk at the moment, I've got obviously my old Logitechs there. I've got a new microphone, which is the Mod Mic. That's going to be good. Can't wait to use that and get rid of the hack together I've got at the moment to use my microphone. And I've got a pair of a very cheap set of Google Cardboard glasses to test out a bit of VR. And I've also got my new headphones, which is a massive upgrade. They're the ATH AD700s. Just tried them on and they feel like I'm wearing nothing at all. It's crazy. So that's a really big upgrade. So hopefully they should last me a while. Obviously got the obligatory teaspoon there, some other random connections and stuff like that, and toy cars. Of course, we've got a little boy in the house now, so I'll get to it and clean this up, and hopefully when I cut back it'll all be nice and clean and organized. Alright, we're back and now it's clean, very presentable, and feels a bit more inviting than what we had before, doesn't it? So basically, yeah, just took all the clutter off the desk. Now we've got the right hand side of the computer is going to be easily switch in any hard drives, peripherals, microphones and such, and the left hand side will just be cups of tea, whatever we want to have over there, but not a lot goes on over that side, but at least I can put my hand somewhere without rustling some plastic bags or something like that. As you can see, I've got my new headphone set up with the Mod Mic on. That's the AD700s with a Mod Mic attached, which is awesome. Had a quick play around with them. Still have to do a bit of post processing to the mic just to get it to sound right, but there's a lot of interference in my computer. Like I'm using the same microphone to record this onto my phone, and it is a lot cleaner audio straight off the bat. So hopefully when I upgrade I won't have to do as much post processing. Yeah, so hopefully this will sort me out. I'll be able to get a few more videos up for you guys. I haven't got too much in the ideas department yet, but hopefully things will come to me, or even maybe I'll start a let's play, but we will see. So alright, I'll leave you with this nice clean desktop, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.